A once dried-up lake in Mincheng County in China's Gansu province has been revived thanks to the government's desertification control efforts. Qingtu Lake is located in the lower reaches of the Xiyang River in Mincheng County, where China's deserts, the Baden, Jiaran, and Tanger meet. It had suffered from drought for over 50 years since the end of the 1950s. The government launched a major project to improve the ecology in the region in 2007. And in 2010, water diversion was implemented to supplement water to Qingtu Lake and boost ecological protection. Since then, the lake has taken on a new look.
2012年的青岛河有水后，多年枯死的落草自然恢复。现在因为有了青岛河的生态恢复，我们四处的村民切实感到了冲击的。大风天气少了，雨水增多，对这个农业的发展都有了很大的影响。
Now Qingtu Lake has a water area of 26.7 square kilometers and formed a wetland area of 106 square kilometers.